It's like getting a sucker punch out of nowhere and you didn't see it coming.
Severe weather striking the Hoosier State on the first weekend of fall. Thanks for joining us tonight at 5, everyone. I'm Chelsea Helms.
And I'm Bob Donaldson. The cleanup has started after tornadoes were confirmed in eastern Indiana, including this one near Muncie.
As CBS 4's Eric Graves shows us, damage is also being assessed in Jay County, where 2 tornadoes were confirmed.
It started out as the rain that everybody said they needed. It turned into the storm that nobody wanted any part of. From the high school right here to the homes across the street, one taking the brunt of the impact, losing its entire roof.
I want to say I saw the light and then the light went away.
In just a few seconds, a tornado ripped through Kyle Love's home. He wasn't sure if he'd make it.
It's like getting a sucker punch out of nowhere and you didn't see it coming.
Love says the storm went from harmless rain Sunday night in Portland, Indiana, to a sound he never wants to hear again.
I heard more of a jet engine type of noise. It was a very high pitch whistling type of noise.
As he sat up on his couch and looked out his front window, he didn't even see the funnel because he was already inside of it.
The entire front of my property was like a gray cloud of spinning stuff.
Love says he laid face down on his couch with his hands on his neck as the storm popped his roof like a bottle of wine.
Weird sound I can never recreate.
The terror wasn't finished. Love says what was left of his ceiling and roof started to fall on him.
Because as soon as the ceiling starts to fall, you don't know where it's coming from, you don't know how much, you don't know what.
It all added up to the scariest 30 seconds of his life that he came out of unscathed.
It's insane that I did not get hurt.
Surveying the damage, Love saw where the tornado hit first, the Jay County Junior and Senior High School, where he's been a teacher at for years.
The schools, it's horrible right now. The entire junior high, a lot of the rooftop units have been either removed or obviously damaged.
Classes at the building were canceled Monday as the administration works on how to move forward with educating hundreds of students. It's a difficult task, especially this week. It's homecoming at Jay County Senior High. Love hopes the festivities bring the community together like they always do.
Friday night's football game, you'll see a ton of people there from all the different towns in the area.
Kyle says he still plans on being a part of all the homecoming festivities. He drives a fire truck in the parade, and he's the announcer at the football games. Reporting in Jay County, Eric Graves, CBS 4 News.
The National Weather Service confirming a tornado also touched down